Sir, I want to understand one thing clearly. How is the BS Computer Science AEDP course structured across the full 4 years?
Good question. This program is carefully designed in a structured way across 4 years to build both knowledge and real-world skills.
In the first 2 years, students build strong fundamentals including programming, data structures, mathematics, and the basics of artificial intelligence concepts.
This phase creates a solid technical foundation, helping students clearly understand core concepts before moving into advanced and real-world applications.
In the next 2 years, the focus shifts toward real-world application through industry apprenticeship, specialization tracks, and live project experience. So learning doesn't happen in isolation. Students move step by step from learning to application and then to real industry experience. By the time students graduate, they are not just computer science learners, but confident professionals with real-world technical experience.
Now I understand. This is not just a degree structure. It feels like a complete career journey from learning to real success.